printouts available on Patreon. Download and cut it out. Black cardstock for the inside of the purse. Trace. Cut out. Tape runner. The black cardstock goes inside of the purse. Hot glue gun. Just 2 little dots for right now. I'm gonna glue it together. Black chipboard for the bottom of the inside of the purse. Just trace and cut. Glue it in place with hot glue. I'm tracing the handles with black cardstock and then putting them on the handles from the inside on both handles. Leather adhesive tape. I'm gonna measure and cut a little piece and cut it in half and then make like a little inside pocket for the purse. A black pen, all the white gets covered. And now we're simply gonna fill it up with our essentials.